Hi, lovelies. It is learning time. In today's class, I shall be teaching the multiplication of decimal numbers by two-digit whole numbers with remaining without the use of a calculator. Now, let me solve this example. The example question says 15.2346 times 43. Let's go to the solution. Here is the solution. 15.2346 times 43. 15 here is a whole number because it does not begin with a decimal point. Why 0.2346 is a decimal number? Because it begins with a decimal point. And here the 43, here is a whole number 43. Does not begin with a decimal point. And let's continue. Here, you will use the last digit of this whole number. Here we have 43, and 3 is the last digit here to multiply numbers written at the top one after the other. You begin by using the last digit of this whole number to multiply the number at the top one after the other. 3 times 6 equals 18. That is, I counted 3 circles in 6 places, and that is 18. But I'll only write the last digit of this, my answer, here. Like this, and cross it out here, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll continue. 3 times 4 equals 12. But here, I'm still left with 1. I'll add this 1 to this 12. Like this, 12, 13. My answer is 13. I'll write the last digit of my answer here, like this, and cross it out here, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll continue. 3 times 3 equals 9. But I'm left with 1 here. I'll add this 1 to this 9, and that makes it 10. I'll write the last digit of my answer here, like this, and cross it out here, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll continue. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus the 1 that I'm left with here, and that is 6, 7. My answer is 7. I'll write my 7 here. And before I go to the next number here, I'll fix my decimal point here, like this, and continue with my multiplication. 3 times 5 equals 15. I'll write the last digit of my answer here, like this, and cross it out here, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll continue. 3 times 1 equals 3. But here I'm left with 1. I'll add the 1 to it. And 3 plus 1 equals 4. I'll write my 4 here. Here it is. I'm done with using the last digit to multiply these numbers one after the other. I'll proceed to the next number, which is 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. Here, 4 is another number. For that reason, I'll begin from another line here. And looking at it, 4 is the second number, 1, 2. So I'll begin writing my answer from this second number, 1, 2. So I'll write the last digit of my answer here, which is 4, like this, and cancel it out from this place, like this, meaning I'm left with 2. And continue with my multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16. Well, I'm left with 2 here. This 2 will be added to this 16. 16, 17, 18. And that makes it 18. I'll write the last digit of my answer here and cross it out like this. I'm left with 1. And continue with my multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. Well, I'm left with 1 here. I'll add it to this 12. And that is 13. I'll write the last digits of my answer here and cross it out here. I'm still left with 1. 4 times 2 equals 8. But I'm left with 1 here. This one will be added to the 8. Makes my answer 9. So the 9 will be written here. I will not write it under this decimal point. I'll write it here under the number 5. As you can see, I'm placing my numbers properly so as to get an accurate answer. 4 times 5 equals 20. But I do not have any number left, so I only write the last digit, which is 0, here, and cancel it out from here, meaning I'm left with 2. 4 times 1 equals 4. But I'm left with 2 here. This will be added to this 4. And that gives a total of 6. Like this. After which I'll add together. 8 plus nothing, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 0 plus 8, 8. 7 plus 3 equals 10. I'll write the last digit here and cancel it out here, meaning I'm left with 1. I'll fix my decimal point here. 5 plus 9 equals 14 plus the one that is written up, the one that I'm left with here. 14 plus 1, 14 plus 1, that's 15. 4 plus 0, 4, plus the one remaining, 4 plus 1, 5. And here, nothing plus 6 equals 6. So it's only 6 that is written here. Here is my final answer. And the final answer is 655.0878. Did you learn? Please do well to like, share, and follow my page for more educational and insightful content. Thank you.